How to report a missing item on McDonald's order. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to report a missing item on McDonald's order. So if you have also ordered something, some products, some food from your McDonald's application or via your browser, and if there's a mistake that you have seen a missing item from your order, then you can obviously just come over to your application if you're using. So in this case, I'm showing you from the browser, and just basically come over to this bottom section where you can easily see the contact us option. So just enlarge it and just click on this contact us option just like this, and from over here I'll simply head over to this customer overview and simply scroll down and click on this option that is contact us once again, and you can basically provide your feedback details, that is as part of a complaint, like you have missed something from your order, and you can just provide the feedback, or you can also actually find the current restaurant on your app or via your browser just like this. So simply searching for your restaurant, and once you locate your restaurant, you can just directly register a complaint or register an issue for them, and once they respond, they can easily sort that out problem for you successfully. So that's it for today guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.